Hello, Oji Squad. How you guys doing? Are you doing good? I'm doing great. A little bit tired, but anyway, we move. It's yet another day. It's yet another vlog. So today's vlog is about our trip to the Eastern Cape. We are going to the Eastern Cape, so I'll just take you guys along and I'll show a little bit of this and that when we are there. So in preparation of our trip, I'm just gonna go do my nails today and maybe later on I'll do my hair. The preparations are starting for the trip. So this is the beginning of it. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to comment if you have not yet done so. Don't forget to like, and did I say comment? No, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Don't forget to like and share this video. Enjoy the vlog. I'm on my way to do my nails now. Uthonginikeza yiphi? Okay. Izoba yinhle. Uprefera yona wena?
Yeah, hindi efana nalawo kongikhomba.
Okay. Uwe phela ongenama colors. No. Yeah. This one. Iyafana mos nale, angithi. Tata the lighter one ne. The lighter one uyo better ne.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay.
Like you. Bizana.
Video.
Ngishudela.
Yeah, ngifaka abantu babila. Baba nje. Section. Okay, ngakho-ke asibonge. Guys, nails are done. We're looking beautiful. So now I'm just gonna take my chances and go check with Susie if she can do my hair. I did send her a message to ask if I can come, and she said yeah, I can come. So I hope she's not too busy. Yeah, check you later. Guys, I've just finished doing my hair. Yeah, this is my hair. You guys will see it as we keep vlogging. But yeah, nice. I went for black this time around. I never do black braids. But yeah, this is me. So now I'm just heading home. Hello OG Squad. Today is day 2 of this vlog. I'm just going to the shops to do a little bit of shopping just before we take our trip to the Eastern Cape. So yeah, I'll catch you later.
Oh, grounded.
Intoni? Hey. Guys, I'm back from the shops and I'm trying to offload stuff from the car and someone is trying to get in instead. Hey. Uyaphi? Nana? Uyaphi? Okay. Okay. Uyaphi? Huh?
Feet.
Sit. Hayi andifuni mhlala. Tshini sana. Bye bye. Bye bye Sabani. Okay, bye bye. I'm back from the shops and these are some of the things that I bought, which I will show you. Some of the things I bought, it's clothing items, which I'm not really going to be unpacking right now. So let's unpack these ones. So from Pep, I got these two portable bulbs. There's two of them. I want to try this out. With load shedding, one needs them, and they were only 39 rands, 39.99, so 40 bucks each from Pep. And I got these pine gel. I got two of them, pine gel, and I got this handy product. Guys, if you hear some noise in the background, I'm doing laundry. I got this nice and small tray. This is for juice, I suppose, if you're serving juice. And this was, there we go. I got this for 17 rands from Pep. It's beautiful. And I got dishwasher, liquid, sunlight liquid. I got two. And what else do we have? Okay, we got domestos. Oh, okay, no, I got three. I got three of this. So I thought I had two. And I got these batteries for these light bulbs. These portable bulbs, because it says here that it uses AA batteries. So I also got the batteries to try it out. And okay, that's all we got from Pep. And moving on to Clicks. Let's see. Flip. Okay, so I bought two. Okay, so I think I bought one from Clicks and I bought another one from Pep. I think I had forgotten that I had bought it from the other shop. Anyway, it's not going to go to waste. It will still be very useful. I got these Pringles sour and cream onion flavor. My little human loves this flavor of Pringles. And I got these Nivea Men lotion, body lotion. These were on special from Clicks. I think you get two for 100 bucks, if I still remember. Got toothpaste. I think I bought two of these. Got toothbrush. Got these. I think these were also two for 30 bucks. Got soap, bar soap, and we got hand wash. This is a refiller, a value refill or refill. Sorry, a refill. And I got these two for Little Human's brother. And that's all we got from Clicks. Guys, I hope the sound is not as bad. If the sound is bad, I should have said this from the get-go, that if the sound is bad, I'm just gonna put music. You're not gonna hear my voice. But anyway, we're almost at the end of this unpacking. I also went to at home. I got these capsules, so it's 10 of them. Okay, so I got hazelnut. Oh, sorry, I don't know if you guys can see. So I got hazelnut. This is for Bay. This is his preference. So this was 79 rands from at home. 10 capsules. Got two flavors, one for him and one for me. I went for original. I wanted to try out a new flavor, but that lady said it's not that nice. The lady that was helping me choose, she said it was not nice. So I was like, okay, you know what, let me just stick to original. Maybe later on. But anyway, yeah, so these are 79 rand each. It's 10 capsules inside. I got this from at home, so hazelnut and original, so yeah. Then I also added these are espresso cups. Only got 2 of these because I'm not sure if I like them, so I was like, let me just take 2 so that if I don't like them, I don't regret this purchase. They're not that the price. Let me just see the price. I think they will have a price. Oh, there's the price. So this is the Xhosa. Let's just see here. So this it was 49 rands. Yeah. So it'll be 49 rands. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know. I think it's dirty here. Ugh. But yeah, there we go. Espresso cups. So I only got 2. I only got 2 of them. I didn't want to buy more than 2. I can hear the machine is really making noise in the background, but we're almost done. So there we go. Nice. Ooh, okay. These are nice and cute. Cute. That's the size. Obviously, it's espresso. So yeah, there we go. That is 2, and that's all we got. Well, that's all I'm showing you guys. The rest I will unpack later. So yeah, let me just pack up these things and make supper, and I'll vlog again tomorrow. Hi guys, so finally we're on the way, and right now we're taking a pit stop in Richmond. I hope you guys can hear me. We're just taking a walk around the garage. Someone needs a break, and yes. Huh? Ay, supusa. Come. Mumu. Okay, Mumu. Masambe. Haki. Haki. Okay, Haki Mumu. Haki Mumu. Haki Mumu. Good boy. Masambe, ke? Finally, we're home. We've arrived safe and sound, and we've already offloaded our luggage from the car.
Chewy. Dada.
Give Mama the phone. Go.
Thank you, Nana.
Finish. Mama.
Hello guys, today is day 2 of us being at home. So I've just finished cleaning our room. I'm now gonna go to the kitchen to make something to eat, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Yes, Nana?
Jay.
Chair. Okay, so this is my outfit for the day. But sichonga mama yabona apha yabonakala le
Leyo leya phezolo. Okay, kodwa nayo akho nto imbi kuvela kwayo kanje. Ungathi
so at least ndiya improve ngoku. Yakhumbula ngona ndifika nani. OG squad, are you guys still keeping cool? I'm doing great this side, just a little bit tired. We're on the road again, as you can see, but this is just to close the vlog. By the way, I'm closing this vlog. We've just left my in-laws. We're now going to my home, so I think it's about 5 to 6 hours, no, 6 to 7 hours drive. Okay, maybe 5. Well, because we've got a lot of pit stops since I'm traveling with my little human, so we've got a lot of pit stops that you do. So for us, it could take us to 7 hours. It will depend, but yeah. Anyway, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Share and like the video. If you've watched up to this far, thank you so much. I appreciate your support, and yeah, until the next video, you guys keep well and take care. Bye.